In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a workflow approval in PandaDoc. This is a crucial step to ensure your documents are thoroughly reviewed and approved by the right people before they're finalized and sent out. It's an efficient way to manage approvals and streamline your workflow, so let's dive right in. First, log into PandaDoc and head to the left-hand sidebar. From here, click on Templates. This is where all your templates are stored and is the starting point for setting up any workflow approval. Next, choose the specific template you want to configure for approval. Click on its name to open it. This is important because each workflow can have different approval requirements, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Once inside the template, look to the right-hand side of the screen and find the Roles option. Click on it. Defining roles is essential because it determines who needs to review and approve the document. Now make sure the approval required option is turned on. If this isn't enabled, the approval process won't be activated. So don't skip this step. When approval requires is turned on, you will be prompted to add an approver. This could be a manager, team lead, or any designated person who needs to review the document. You can enter either their name or email address here. Once the approver is added, click Save to lock in your settings. Saving ensures your workflow approval is ready to go and active for that template. And that's it. You've successfully set up a workflow approval in PandaDoc. From now on, every document created from that template will be reviewed and approved by the right people, keeping your process structured and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Until next time, happy documenting.